Microsoft Word is one of the most powerful tools for creating documents, and in 2025, it's better than ever with new features and hidden tricks to boost your productivity. In this video, we'll cover the top 15 tips and tricks that every Word user should know, whether you're a student, professional, or casual user. First, take advantage of Microsoft 365 Copilot, which can help you summarize, rewrite, or even generate content instantly. It's perfect for brainstorming or polishing your writing. Make sure your documents are auto-saved to the cloud with OneDrive to prevent data loss and access files from anywhere. If you like handwriting, use the new inking pens to annotate or draw directly on your documents, creating a more natural note-taking experience. For faster typing, try the dictate feature, which lets you speak your text instead of typing, saving time and reducing strain. The Tell Me search box is a lifesaver when you can't find a command. Just type what you need and Word will take you straight to it. For long documents, enable the navigation pane to jump between headings, search efficiently, and reorganize content. Creating and using templates ensures consistency across recurring documents, while macros automate repetitive tasks, like formatting or inserting standard text. Use Smart Lookup to get definitions, web articles, and context for selected words without leaving Word. You can also embed 3D models or online videos to make your documents more visually engaging. If you send bulk letters or invitations, Mail Merge lets you personalize documents quickly using data from Excel or Outlook. Show formatting marks with Ctrl+Shift+8 to identify hidden paragraph breaks and spaces. Use Shift+F3 to change text case instantly, and customize the Quick Access toolbar to keep your most used commands just a click away. Finally, take advantage of Word's hidden calculator to perform quick math directly in your document. These tips and tricks make Microsoft Word more powerful and easier to use than ever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.